In front of me is Motorola Moto G57 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Like that. Then look for Auto Rotate shortcut, and once you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine turned blue. That means that auto rotation is on, but you can always switch it off by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can always go into settings, then scroll to click on display, and scroll again, this time to manage auto rotation thanks to this switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!